Azure API Management, Developer Portal. Developer Portal is to create a developer-friendly environment for API consumers. It helps developers understand, test, and integrate with your APIs efficiently. Features. 1. API Discovery. The Developer Portal provides a catalog of your APIs, making it easy for developers to discover the APIs you've published. 2. Documentation. Detailed documentation is available for each API, including endpoint descriptions, request/response examples, and usage guidelines. 3. Interactive testing. Developers can test API endpoints directly within the portal, allowing them to understand the API's behavior before integrating it into their applications. 4. Code samples. The portal offers code samples in various programming languages, helping developers quickly get started with your APIs. 5. Subscription management. Users can subscribe to APIs and manage their subscriptions directly from the portal. 6. Customization. You can customize the look and feel of the portal to match your branding, creating a seamless experience for developers. Limitations. 1. Complexity. For highly complex APIs, maintaining comprehensive documentation can be time-consuming. 2. Limited customization. While the portal is customizable, there may be limitations in achieving highly specific designs. Usage. API discovery. Developers can browse the catalog to find relevant APIs for their projects. Documentation. Detailed documentation guides developers on how to use your APIs effectively. Interactive testing. Developers can make API calls, view responses, and troubleshoot issues directly in the portal. Code samples. Pre-generated code snippets help developers quickly implement API calls in their applications. Subscription management. Users can sign up for API access, manage their subscriptions, and obtain necessary credentials. Customization. Tailor the portal to match your organization's branding and style for a cohesive developer experience. How to make use of the developer portal. 1. Configure the developer portal. In the Azure portal, configure your developer portal settings, including branding, themes, and URLs. 2. Document your APIs. Ensure that your APIs are well documented with clear descriptions, examples, and code samples. 3. Publish your portal. Once configured, publish the developer portal for developers to access. 4. Promote the portal. Encourage developers to visit the portal to discover, learn about, and test your APIs. Summary. Features of the developer portal include API discovery, documentation, interactive testing, code samples, subscription management, and customization. Limitations may arise in maintaining comprehensive documentation for complex APIs and in achieving highly specific designs. The portal's purpose is to create a developer-friendly environment. Usage includes API discovery, documentation, interactive testing, code samples, subscription management, and customization. To make use of the developer portal, configure it in the Azure portal, document your APIs thoroughly, publish the portal, and promote it to developers. Thanks for watching.